It turns out that TradingView banned all of my scripts, and I know why. Because I take code from really good scripts and then I optimize them and combine them with other ones and optimize that, and so my iterations are a little bit better. But the fact that I do take code from other scripts, and I'm not trying to make money on this or anything, so the only way that you're able to access it is for you to get the code directly from me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as each one as a text file, and it's pretty simple. All you'll need to do, so for example, let's say you have I just created this one the last couple of days. It's an adaptive EMA indicator. So once you get the code, and a lot of you already know how to do this, but basically once let's pretend that this code is in a text file, you copy and paste, you just copy, and you'll come down here into your Pine editor, and you'll click the down arrow, click new indicator, and then I just do Control Alt Delete, and then I just do Control V, and then I add it to chart, and you can see that it will add. So pretty simple. So you'll have anyone who wants that can email me at jatwinningtrades@gmail.com. I am not going to make any premium indicators at this point. I'm not going to use your email for anything. I'm not collecting any data for anything. I am a trader. That's where I make my money. The channel is because I have time afterwards to make videos, and I enjoy making indicators. And I do make indicators only for myself, but the ones that I'm sharing, I do use versions of them, and if it helps people, great. So if you don't want them, no worries. I don't know how to rework them to make them so that the code is so friendly that TradingView will not ban them. So I guess the plus side is, as long as you're on my channel, and I'll be making more of indicators, as you can see, it takes literally 2 seconds to add the indicator, and then it's your code. You can do it whatever you want with it. You can make it better, you can add it to something else. So as you can see, if you want to email me at jatwinningtrades@gmail.com, you're going to get 4 scripts. So my main one is the Pivot Boss HA, which has all the buy and sell signals, and you can customize this 100%. So what I do is I remove the stop loss and trailing stop and other. You might even get rid of just a bunch of other things, whatever. You can customize it, and then you can also adapt it. You can look at the percentages, and I'm not saying that you're going to have this. It just helps you adapt. And again, the win rate, I wouldn't get too concerned, minus that I like to tweak it around a little bit to get where I want it to be, where I feel like the buys just going back. So I just kind of tweak it, and just maybe make this a little shorter, because I'm a scalper, so I don't. I'm on a very short term time. So, and then you can see you have your buy, exit, sell, exit, and this is just on Bitcoin. And so I haven't really tweaked it enough, but it still does a pretty good job just by itself. You can see going back, look at these, all these buys that were good. Of course, you're going to have some false ones, but we haven't tweaked it. So then the other one is you're going to get, if you want it, it's nothing crazy, but it's a kind of a mood indicator, and it just gives you, it does give you buy and sells. I would actually turn those off. So it just shows you moving average, and then it just gives you the mood that the market's currently in. So let's go to like 1 second. and you'll see that right now on 1 second it's bearish. And I know there's something cool I was trying to create, and the only downside to it is if you have both of them on, then you'll just have to toggle it. So, or have a split screen. That's what I do. I have this on another chart, and anyway, not the, yeah, I just kind of like the on 1 second it does move pretty quickly, but anyways, it's just kind of a fun indicator that I built just for fun. But mainly I use the PBH plus with, now the signal matrix is going to give you stronger signals based on awesome oscillators that I found to be really good. And as you can see, this has other lines, so you'll want to come in here. Let's move this back to 1 minute, and you'll see it's a pretty cool indicator. You can definitely customize it and get rid of some of these lines. I don't care about the, we can keep that for now. It has the buy backgrounds. I don't really care about the, I don't want those, sorry, I don't want the arrows, I don't really care about. So then, and then even the, I don't know if we care about these as much because we'll be using the PBA, the PBHA plus for the other lines. So then we go back to inputs. You know, you can definitely customize it to get an idea where you want, you know, your signals to be. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get the, I think that's a strong there. Anyway, and there you go. You can play with it how you want to get strong, or you can, it's pretty powerful once you start tweaking it to your asset that you're trading. Again, it's not 100%, nothing is, but you can customize it. And then when you combine it with the PVH Plus is where I think it gets pretty powerful, because then you're going to get multiple confirmations on, again, just adapting it to your asset. You're going to be able to customize and build a trading strategy. And you can see how it stripes like that. And that's, you can change that by, let's see here, it's been a bit. Then you just get rid of the, trying to think here, where is that? I think it's under style. Let me see if we can find it, sorry. Let's see here. Oh, I guess no, the stripes, sorry, my bad. That's just, I had it minimized, I had it scrolls together. So yeah, the black areas obviously are kind of like non-trading zones per se. You're not likely to get many signals in those areas anyway. So it even looks pretty good on Renko, because I do trade on 1 second Renko on occasion. If and then I'll combine it with like a 1 minute chart just to make sure that I'm, you know, taking trades at least on a, at least watching both, or even a 5 minute, and just pretty decent on a Renko. But again, I haven't tweaked it at all for a 1 second Renko, but just curious how you definitely get swinging trades there. You get, again, you can definitely get these to get, you know, higher probability trades. But you can see there's definitely some good trades on Bitcoin even today. Let's see how I'm catching this short here. So you can definitely have rules in place. You know, if you get in here, maybe you don't take, you know, these later buy ones. I definitely like the stronger ones, and I like the buys more for confirmation of a trend that I'm already in. But certainly you can customize it and you can look how good the shorts were. And again, I didn't tweak it at all. And again, 1 second that's pretty small, but you can definitely tweak it to get a light, because I've had some really profitable days on M&Q with these strong signals when I've tweaked them just the right way. So yeah, you'll get you get this one, the PBH, the signal matrix, and you're also going to get, which I just finished, is this adaptive EMA, and this is on this. You're going to get a lot of signals because you're on the 2 second or 1 second chart. If you move it back to 1 minute, I think it looks a little bit better on the HA. Again, nothing magical. It is an EMA, but it has some logic to it that makes it smarter than a regular EMA. And so it's kind of a cool addition. You can definitely, again, this is all customizable too. It's definitely 1 minute chart's pretty small too. If you look at a 5 minute, you're definitely going to see some good winning trades. I mean, there you go. So I mean, obviously some consolidation. That's just the way the market works. But you can see it has some promise, I think. And I definitely will keep looking at it. So again, if you want all 4 of these, just email me at JAT, so JAT, winning trades at gmail.com. And JAT just means just a trade. I try to just to get around the mental gymnastics of how hard trading can be. So when I get in a trade, it's not an end-all thing, win or lose. It's just a trade, right? So if you get in, you win, great. If you lose, okay, well, learn and not freak out and just adapt, because capital preservation is the name of the game. And I just enjoy, I enjoy trading in general, but I also enjoy creating indicators. And if this helps anybody, cool. If you guys think it's all junk, well, it's free, so no worries. But I have spent a lot of time, probably 80 to 90 hours, basically grabbing some of what I feel are the best indicators on TradingView, and then I just adapted them to, made them more robust, using AI and other things, other tools, and I have some good friends that are coders too, helping me out. So anyway, and if you want that, and I'm sorry that it's frustrating that I've shared all these indicators and then all of a sudden they disappear. Now that if you want them, you'll have all the code and you can apply it and you can use the code however you want. So anyway, I hope this helps a lot, and thanks for joining my channel.